Have you ever created a program only to have it flagged by Windows Defender? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the issue of PyInstaller generated executables being flagged due to a missing publisher. I completely understand how annoying it is when your hard work is met with warnings and alerts. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when distributing their applications. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I change the publisher of my executable created with PyInstaller?" They mentioned that every time their program runs, Windows Defender alerts them about the lack of a publisher. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So what causes this issue? When you create an executable with PyInstaller, it doesn't automatically include a publisher signature. This is why Windows Defender raises a flag. Understanding this will help us find a way to resolve it. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these warnings in the future. To address the issue with Windows Defender, the user should first create a code signing certificate. This certificate will help establish the identity of the publisher. Next, the user needs to sign their executable file using the created certificate. This can be done with a tool called Sign Tool, which is included in the Windows SDK. After signing the executable, the user should verify the signature to ensure it was applied correctly. This step is crucial to confirm that the executable is recognized as coming from a verified publisher. Finally, the user can distribute their signed executable. This should reduce or eliminate the warnings from Windows Defender regarding the publisher. Did you know? The first computer virus was created in 1986, and it was called Brain. Just like that virus, we want to make sure our programs are safe and trusted. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user points out that the alert from Windows Defender is a known false positive. They mention that this issue occurs with their files too, especially on Windows 10. They suggest that Windows Defender's Smart Screen may block any unsigned file, but you can click more information to proceed. They also recommend excluding the file from Windows Defender, but suggest that using a different antivirus might be a better solution, as Windows Defender is not very effective. They mention that some other antiviruses may also have similar false positives. Lastly, they suggest testing your application on a virtual machine, where you can disable Windows Defender and Smart Screen while keeping them enabled on your main system. They recommend using VirtualBox as a free VM option. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always sign your executables before distribution. This simple step can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Your executable should now run without triggering Windows Defender alerts. Remember, signing your code is essential for trust and security. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus content on best practices for software distribution.